everybody. So everybody made it through another week if you're watching this, which is a wonderful. It's Black Panther weekend, so go out and see it if you haven't yet. I haven't seen it yet. I probably won't see it this weekend or maybe even next weekend, maybe during the week. I have movie theater anxiety when there's a lot of people in the theater. It's just me. I don't like to be in the theater with a lot of people. So yes, a lot of people should go see it, but I can wait. I'm not worried about spoilers or anything like that because that still won't stop me from seeing it in the theater. But yeah, it's a new weekend, another weekend, and I am going to, where am I going today? What am I doing today? Oh, today I am going to a soap and sip, which is new for us. It is, yes, another friend's birthday. Their birthdays are back to back. I'm going to a soap and sip, so I think we're making soaps and things of that nature while sipping on some alcohol. But yeah, I'm in the car because I'm on my way to the beauty supply store because I would like to put my hair in a ponytail. I feel like I've enjoyed this straight hair, but it poofs, so I'm gonna try to get it in like a long side goddess ponytail. Let's hope that works out. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I have glasses on. I've had a migraine for almost 24 hours. Yeah, it's been a little struggle for me, and my left eye hurts when I was washing my face. If I put any pressure on that side, it hurt really bad. So I'm gonna keep my glasses on while I'm outside because the sunlight will bother me. Keep up with me. Mwah. I'm alive again. I feel not 100% better, but functional, like a lot better. So that's great. And this is my look. I was able to get my braid done. I had to do it a few times, but it came out pretty much to what I envisioned. This is the look. I'm wearing a turtleneck dress with over-the-knee boots, black boots today. And yes, this is the makeup on the side. And I am just happy to be feeling like better. Not 100%, but like, we'll say like 90%. There's a slight tint, which always scares me because a slight tint of pain means it can come back. But nonetheless, I'm happy. I'm ready to have a good time and keep up with me. It's gonna be like a body glitter.
It looks like.
Wait, what you say? I think you said it's gonna be a body glitter.
If it's Stacy, then it is.
I literally thought she said it's gonna be
Yo, I can't.
Okay.
Heard you. Yes, sis.
This is hers.
Okay.
She wants right here.
Oh, okay. I was like, somebody's missing. She made it for you.
No.
You see what I'm dealing with? Crazy.
That glittery. I'm that glittery.
Stacy's is more glittery than mine.
Because I put a lot of glitter.
I'm gonna break up with you.
I think you're.
Thank you.
This is really so cute.
Listen, they've been on body oil.
Right. They break up at every birthday. Every birthday they break up because
Stacy's not faithful.
What is this?
She's a cheater.
Scarlett cheated on her too.
Excellent!
Come to the soap and sip
Rebecca, Scarlett,
to make your body oils. Wait, I gotta shake this up.
Ruth, I've known you since what? First grade,
Second grade, third grade, second grade.
Second grade from Girl Scouts. Dansley, Felicia, and Carl, I met them.
You know what I'm saying? With the body oil, hey?
I'm sorry.
Head down.
Soap and sip was a success, and that was so much fun. Look at these girls. I didn't push the elevator button. Hey everybody. So, today is part 2 of the festivities. It is Tanya's Roses and Champagne brunch. So we will all be wearing champagne. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend and keep up with me.
Very special and memorable. I know a lot of you guys travel from Jersey. A lot of you guys travel near, far. So I'm really grateful because everyone has played a very integral part in my life. If you're invited, that means I fuck with you.
Hey!
All of it. So I just want to say thank you. I hope you guys all have a good time and cheers.
Happy birthday!